In this video, you'll learn how to add users in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center in just a few minutes, so you can give your team members access to all the tools they need. First, open your browser and go to admin.microsoft.com, sign in with your administrator account. Note that you need admin permissions to manage users, so make sure you're using the right credentials before you continue. Next, in the left sidebar, click on Users, then Active Users. This is where you'll find a list of all the existing users in your Microsoft 365 organization ready to be managed, edited, or expanded. Now, click Add a User at the top of the page. The Setup Wizard will guide you through entering the new user's basic information, including first name, last name, display name, and a unique username. After that, assign a license to the new user. Microsoft 365 offers different plans, like Business Basic, Business Standard, and Enterprise. Choose the right license based on what apps and features the user needs to access. Once you've assigned a license, set the user's role. Most team members will be standard users, but you can also assign admin roles for IT staff. Click Finish to create the account and send credentials. And that's it. Your new user is now added to Microsoft 365, ready to start working with the right tools.